and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirement. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see Haldi decoration ideas at home. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Haldi ceremony or Pithi ceremony, it is a common traditional ritual where bride and groom are given turmeric bath. Turmeric oil and water are applied to both the bride and groom by married women on the morning of the wedding. The mixture is believed to bless the couple before the wedding. However, the logic behind this custom is to detox and bring glow to your skin. The entire decoration is based on lime yellow color. Using light marigold flowers, the lights, cushions, seatings, pandal and cloths theme. Soon to be wedded can enjoy an earthy vibe in shades of lime in the floral wreath decor setting. Combined with origami bird drop above it, if your idea is to go a mile further with flowers, then you as well like the idea of contrasting marigolds decor to enhance the overall setting. Sink into striped tints of yellow and vibrant red to enhance the traditional touch. A bright tangerine theme trends to lift up the mood of the audience. Marigold is ideally used at the Haldi ceremony and can be hung alone with bells. Widely utilized in Indian rituals and decorations, marigold garlands can be decorated in multiple ways. They are tied around the trees, vertically hung in singles, create 3D illusions with clay pots and installed around the seating or swings. If you think out of the box and wish to substitute yellow for your Haldi ceremony, then you can mix some more room for pink as it is one of the most loved shades. Your celebration may be recalled in further to cherish when you paint it pink. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your home for Haldi function. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.